In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all your chat history with ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. If you're already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for. Okay, let's get started. Once you are logged into ChatGPT or you have accessed ChatGPT just as shown in my screen here, what you want to do is to tap on the left panel. Okay, then scroll down. Now click on your profile, then click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, click on data controls, that icon there. You will see various options here. You can manage the shared links, archive charts, or even archive all charts or delete all charts. What you want to do here is to delete all charts. Click on that. Then you will be asked to confirm if you want to delete all charts. By confirming, you'll be able to clear all your chat history with ChatGPT. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.